Our old shop at Carolina Timberworks was great, just not for timber framing. It was built in the 1950s, and it was U-shaped with low ceilings and almost no parking. Oh, and it was perched on the side of a steep hill in a residential neighborhood. But it was ours, and we were happy to have it. We built a lot of beautiful timber frames in that shop, and we built our reputation. And after 13 years, we'd outgrown our building, and we knew it. Seven months from groundbreaking to grand opening. On time and over budget. When we built the new shop, we set out to up our game. And then we said to ourselves, let's not just up our game, let's go for best in class. Craftsmen all the world over look for the best tools they can get a hold of to execute their craft. And in the craft of timber framing, that means robotics. State-of-the-art CNC timber framing machines. These machines offer speed, precision, reliable delivery times, and sustainability. Reliable delivery times because the software tells us in advance how many hours it's going to take to cut the job, so we can schedule our workflow in the shop very precisely. And sustainability because the software optimizes every cut to get the most out of a given timber with the least possible waste. These machines are a fusion of old world craftsmanship and new world technology. Not a violation of our craft, they're an advancement.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. 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 When it rains, it pours. sunlight.